Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor and I'm a lifestyle content creator living in Manitoba, Canada. So in this video I'm going to be doing a house tour for you guys. I like looking at spaces and just trying to figure out what they can look like. So yeah, I definitely enjoy doing tours, so just come along with me. So this is the living room and that door over there is the entrance door. So once you come in, this is really what you see. And yeah, the living room is a good size, and then there are two windows, which is nice. I mean, the more natural light you have coming in, the better for you. And then we have the dining section over there, but first we're going to look at this closet. So this closet is just opposite the door. Like once you come in, you first see the closet, and it's really nice for you to hang your jackets. You can put a shoe rack there, or really just put whatever you want to put there. Anyways, that's that for the closet. That's the door, and that's the dining section over there. We're back in the living room, and that's the kitchen at the extreme end. So yeah, this is the dining section. A lot of houses have the open concept these days, and it's really different. But yeah, this is open, but it's still in its own corner, so that's not bad. So yeah, that's that for the dining section. I mean, it's just plain space. So yeah, next we're just gonna go to the kitchen. Finally, we get to take a proper tour of the kitchen. I just love how it looks, and the fact that there's a lot of storage space is just a plus. Like, what's a kitchen without storage space? Like, hello. I just like that it has a lot of storage space. So yeah, that's the dining area, and that's the living room all the way at the back. I can't be the only person, but as a content creator, when I see some things, I'm already thinking about how this day will be beneficial to my content creation life. Oh, you guys, like, if you're a content creator, like, does this happen to you? Like, I looked at this kitchen and I'm just like, yo, this will make sense for cooking videos. But yeah, that's the pantry, and extra storage is always a plus. So I opened this particular cabinet and this is what I found. I thought that it was really nice to have this in your unit because I mean it's very helpful for pots and when you have bigger bowls. So yeah, this was just really nice. Anyways, let's continue looking at the kitchen. Of course, you have your stove, your fridge and dishwasher, and these are basic appliances that you would find in almost any apartment or unit. Some apartments actually offer a microwave as well, and some don't. Some offer a washing machine and dryer in your suite, and some don't. So really just always ask questions, and it's based on what is important to you or what you're looking for. But yeah, that's that. This is similar cabinet or storage space to the one we saw before. The only difference is this one actually comes all the way out while the other one just turns inside. But yeah, I think this is really nice and very helpful to have in your unit. I really like how the kitchen looks. I just think it's really nice, and especially for content creation. But I just don't believe this kitchen is for me because it is white. I feel like if I had to pick a theme for my kitchen, I would go with dark brown, gray or black. I just don't believe white. I don't know, I like to eat stew and I don't feel like I want to be having tension inside my own kitchen. Do you get what do you guys think? Would you get white cabinets for your kitchen, or what colors would you pick if you had to design your kitchen? I just don't feel like the white is for me, but it looks really nice and it's actually my favorite part of the house. But yeah, it's not for me. Anywho's, we're done with the kitchen and we're just gonna go over to the rooms. So this is the passage or hallway, and this is the door that leads to the basement. apartment, but as I already mentioned, we don't have access to that because it's been rented out separately. And then there's this wardrobe or closet that, of course, additional storage, so you can use this as a backup pantry, or you can actually put in some clothes or sheets, whatever you want to put there. And then there are actually 3 rooms like I mentioned. So this is the first room, this is the bathroom that's just opposite the first room. We're done with the bathroom now, and we're just gonna head over to the rooms. Oh yeah, there's another closet that's in front of the just before the second room, and it's similar to the first one and almost the same thing really. So it's just, you know, an extra storage space for you. And then there's another little door that looks like the closet, and that's where the washer and dryer, you know, that's where they kept them, so you can actually wash your clothes and dry them, which is always a plus when you have that in your apartment, so you don't have to, like, you know, go out to actually get your clothes washed. So yeah, this is the first room, and this is the second room, and the third room. The first room is actually the second biggest, and then the second room is the biggest room. At this stage, I'm just gonna let you view the rooms because they're all empty and they pretty much look the same. The only difference is, you know, one of them would obviously have a bigger closet than the other, but really they all have closet spaces, and it's just an empty space for your room. So that's all. But yeah, enjoy the view. The biggest issue with this particular unit is the third room. So remember I showed you guys the washer and dryer, right? The back of the washer and dryer actually ended up in the closet in the third bedroom, which I just thought was weird, and whoever did this did a very poor job. But yeah, anyways, that seems to be one of the biggest issues that I had with this unit. Aside that, I thought it was okay and very functional. Better is always possible, and sometimes you don't catch things early, right? Also, when you're working with a budget, it could impact the kinds of decisions that you make. Overall, I think this unit is very functional and I think it's okay. If I could change one thing, it would be the flooring. I just think the floor looks old and it needs some upgrade. I also think that if the flooring is changed or upgraded, it's going to make the whole house look really nice. So yeah, that would be the thing that I would would change if I was able to change one thing.
That's it for the most part. I would love to know what you think about this unit. It goes for $1,550 a month, and like I said, this is a house, not an apartment. But yeah, that's really it. I had to come back to the kitchen because that was my favorite part of this house. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video, but until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.